Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the blueprint of your CBSE board exam 2020-21. Okay. Now, in this first you should know we have algebra chapters. Algebra chapters are first one polynomials, second one quadratic equation, pair of linear equation, two variables, and next fourth one arithmetic progression, and next again trigonometry, one is introduction of trigonometry, and next another one applications of trigonometry. And next another one geometry. So this geometry will have one is triangles and another one is constructions. And next areas. So in this areas you have circles and area related to circles. Okay. Now your paper is divided into this. If any question is coming from algebra, there is no question will come particularly from polynomials or quadratic equation or pair of linear equation or AP. Particular question will come from algebra. So that you have to consider that that question may come from any of these chapters. Trigonometry means from these two. Geometry means from these two. Areas means from these two. Okay. Now we'll go through the blueprint. If I'm writing algebra means you should think that algebra consists of these four chapters. Okay. Right. Next. Marks. One mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark, and a case study. So these are we have, right? And here chapters I'm writing here. Real number, algebra, trigonometry, areas, geometry, coordinate geometry, statistics, and probability. Last one is surface area and volume. Just I'm separating it with marks and with box. Yes, now we'll see. So our table is ready with 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, 5 mark, and case study, and with the chapter names. So from real numbers, there's a chance of getting one question from real numbers. Okay, and next from algebra, you'll get 5 questions, and from trigonometry, 2, areas, 2, coordinate geometry, 2, statistics and probability, So geometry is 2 and coordinate geometry is 2 and statistics and probability 1 and surface area and volume 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this 1 mark were 16 questions because from 17 to 20 have case study questions. Now from 2 marks, one from this and one from algebra and trigonometry, one question, and next areas, and from geometry, one question, and from coordinate geometry, one question, and next 3 marks, one question from this, one question from algebra, and one question from trigonometry, and one question from this, and one question from geometry, and another question is from statistics and probability, and this one. So because 2 mark questions we have 6, and 3 mark question we have 7, and 5 we have 3, and case study we have 4. Now 5 marks will come from one question is compulsory from algebra. Compulsory from algebra. So which one is compulsory? I'm writing like this, compulsory. And from trigonometry, you will get one question from applications of trigonometry. One question from applications of trigonometry. And one question is from surface area and volume. One question from this one. And here, there is a chance of getting one more question from this construction, geometry. Geometry means constructions. One question. If this question is getting for 5 marks, what will happen? This question is there, a trigonometry question, applications of trigonometry, that will come for 3 marks. And this will come for 5 marks. There's a chance of getting. So what are the chapters of chances of getting 5 marks? That all chapters I'm writing here, okay? And there is a chance of getting 5 mark question for statistics also, okay? So if you're getting statistics 5 mark question, this surface area and volume will change to the 3 marks. And there is a case study questions also there. So it will interchange the questions. So chances of getting from algebra, trigonometry, constructions, statistics and surface area and volume, okay? And next, case study questions. Case study compulsory question. This is one compulsory question from this algebra chapters. And next, another from trigonometry. Another from trigonometry, that is applications of trigonometry only they will ask. And next, another from coordinate geometry. This is compulsory. And here it will interchange. Either one question is from surface area and volume. This is also compulsory. Sometimes it will interchange with the statistics. For this also, there's a chance of getting case study question. Okay. And next. So now total how many questions are there? 1, 2, 3. And these two, it will interchange. Okay. Statistics and this one. Sometimes statistics change with surface area and volume also. Now this is your complete paper. Now how to prepare for this one? How they will ask you the questions? So this 1 mark question from each and every chapter they will ask. And 2 marks, if they are asking 2 mark question from polynomials, and 3 mark question will be from quadratic equation, and 5 mark question will be from pair of linear equation or arithmetic progression. And this one case study will be either from pair of linear equation or from polynomials. That's it, only 2 chapters. Pair of linear equation or polynomials. In polynomials, what type of questions they will ask? They'll give you one question. They'll ask you to find out whether it is finding the alphas and betas, and you should explain about the graph, how many points are there. That type of question they will ask from polynomials. And from pair of linear equations, they will ask consistent, inconsistent, unique solution, no solution. So that type of questions they will ask. They'll give you the 2 equations and they'll ask whether this is consistent or inconsistent. The type of questions, chances of getting. Okay. And next, trigonometry. So in this trigonometry, it's a chances of getting of applications of trigonometry only. They'll give you the figure and they'll ask you to explain about that figure. Okay, if it is 60 degrees, what will be the tan theta, what will be the sin theta? If it is 30 degrees, what will be the tan theta, what will be the cos theta? So that type of questions they will ask. Okay, and next, another one here, coordinate geometry. This is compulsory question. Maximum they'll ask you to find out the distance between AB. They'll give you one figure, any building figure or any figure they'll give, which consists of A, B, C, D corners. So you need to find out the distance of AB, BC, and CD. Or else they will ask you to find out the distance of the diagonals. Or else they will ask you to find out the midpoint values also. Okay, so that is coordinate geometry. And next, from statistics and probability. Probability, they will ask you question from cards, coins, or dice. And next, from statistics, they will ask you they'll give you one table, and if it is mean, what will be the answer? If it is mode, what will be the answer? And relation between mean, median, mode. So this type of questions will get from the statistics and probability. And surface area and volume, direct question. What you're practicing for 5 marks, similar questions only they will ask. You should be perfect in with the formulas. If you are not perfect with the formulas, you cannot do anything with surface area and volume. Okay, this is your entire paper. Thank you guys.